In this video, we will talk about 3 reasons why woman loses interest in man. So let's begin the video. Here are 3 signs that a woman may be losing interest in a man. Decreased communication, frequency of messages. If there's a noticeable decline in the frequency of her messages or calls, it may indicate a shift in interest. When someone is genuinely interested, they often make an effort to stay connected. Depth of conversations. A decline in the depth of conversations or a lack of engagement in meaningful discussions may suggest a waning interest. If the conversations become more superficial or routine, it's worth paying attention. Reduced time and availability. Decline in plans. If she consistently turns down invitations to spend time together or seems less enthusiastic about making plans, it could be a sign of decreased interest. Limited availability. A woman losing interest might become busier or claim to have less time for socializing. While people genuinely have busy lives, a consistent pattern of unavailability could be a signal. Emotional and physical distance. Emotional disconnect. A noticeable emotional distance, such as a lack of enthusiasm, laughter, or emotional sharing, may indicate a change in feelings. Physical intimacy. A reduction in physical affection or intimacy can be a significant sign. If she becomes less receptive to physical closeness, it may suggest a shift in her emotional connection. It's crucial to approach these signs with an open and honest conversation.